Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by isolating the problem. Back up only essential files to an external drive so you can restore clean copies later. Once done, disconnect Wi-Fi or unplug Ethernet to stop spread and communication. Next, reboot into safe mode with networking by pressing F8 during startup. This limits running malware and lets cleaning tools work. Make sure to run initial scans in safe mode. This reduces interference and improves detection rates, so you can act on real threats immediately. Now you perform deep detection. Update your antivirus signatures and start a full system scan. If problems persist, use a second opinion tool like Malwarebytes or Adwa Cleaner to catch adware and PUPs. Once scans finish, quarantine or permanently remove confirmed threats, and then inspect startup programs via msconfig and Task Manager to disable suspicious entries that reinfect on boot. Make sure to check scheduled tasks and browser extensions. Removing persistence finish by rebooting normally and reconnecting the network, then run a final quick scan to confirm no active threats remain. After that, install all available Windows 7 updates and update your browser, Java, and drivers. Vulnerabilities in outdated software are common attack vectors. If the system still behaves oddly, use System Restore to roll back to a known good point, or run Windows Repair from installation media. These steps repair corrupted system files and often resolve lingering instability, so your laptop stays reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.